May crush kasi ako ng isang istorya lang man ito. She was that lady na makita mo doon sa St. Anselm's building. If you go up, yung babae na, I don't know if she's still around, yung babae doon nakaupo, na may lunal dito. Kasi kung nandito pa siya, pakasalan kita ma'am pag nabiyuda ka na.
Nice.
Talagang crush kita. And every time that I mag-akyat ako, tinitignan ko siya, alam niya na may gusto ako sa kanya. Ang problema, hindi ko alam kung may gusto siya sa akin. I'd like to share with you the vignettes of my kukunting sa buhay ko. Actually, naiinggit ako sa inyo. Kasi hindi ako pinayagan ng mga brothers pati pare mag-graduate. I was not allowed to take part in the graduation exercises because on the last days of for the year, mag-graduate na, we're practicing yung ensayo na kung paano ng diploma, to take a bow. And then suddenly, there was this happening inside the school. Huwag na natin pag-usapan yun. Kasi magagalit yung pare, pati. So I got expelled. So I was not allowed to join the graduation. So ako naman umuwi na lang sa Davao because at that time, expelled ako. Ang nanay ko nagtanong, sabi niya, Rodrigo, kailan ba ako pupunta ng Maynila? But I kept assuring her that graduation was coming and, as a mother, excited as I was, she was in a hurry. Sabi niya, noon kasi tawagan lang sa probinsya, you call PAL and place a reservation. Pagdating mo sa airport, bayad ka lang. That was the time when sabi niya, mukhang may graduation ata, nabasa ko sa newspaper. Sabi ko, ma, sabi kasi ng pare, magulo. Magulo talaga ang Mindiola noon. We were the martial law lawyers. We took the bar under immense pressure. You know, every 300 meters, nandoon yung Metrocom. At lahat yung matataas na buhok, ginupitan. Those were the times, so it was not really good for anything except maybe to go home and relax. Sabi ko, masabi ng pare kasi magulo ang Mindiola. And may mga pillbox kung saan-saan naglipad. Nagmisa lang kami sa Abbey Chapel at binigyan kami ng diploma na wala naman laman. Para sabihin lang ng graduate, definitely the graduation will take place, but maybe during a more somber time. So, wala naman ang nanay ko. So, finally, on review, the faculty sa law, San Beda, decided to pardon me and allowed me to take the bar. Kasi kung hindi na ako certified, paano makakuha that I have graduated in the course of the College of Law? So I was allowed to take the bar. I was certified as a graduate. So nakakuha ako ng bar sa awa ng Diyos. Pasa naman kami. 73, I became a lawyer. Kaya diyan ako nag-oath noon. Many years after, I don't know if they're still around, may crush kasi ako ng isang istorya lang man ito. She was that lady na makita mo doon sa St. Arsem's building. If you go up, yung babae na, I don't know if he's still around, yung babae doon nakaupo, na may lunal dito. Kasi kung nandito pa siya, pakasalan kita ma'am, pag nabiyuda ka na. Talagang crush kita. And every time that I mag-akyat ako, tinitignan ko siya, alam niya na may gusto ako sa kanya. Ang problema, hindi ko alam kung may gusto siya sa akin. From a distance. But she knew that I was her admirer. So yung pag-akyat mo, mayroon yung window, parang, I don't know if it's the cashier, pero doon sa left side, paakyat. Ma'am, if you are still around, can I just maybe shake your hand? I don't know, teacher. So, many years after, wala man tayo mag-go. After my speech, nobody talked. Oh, so would you rather that we go home? Pwede mag-chismis muna tayo dito. Istorya mo lang itong graduation kasi. Many years after, pumunta sila sa Church of Transfiguration. You guys from San Beda, if you have time, you travel to Bukidnon. There's a church there called the Transfiguration Church. And every afternoon, yung mga monks natin kumakanta. At every time that I passed by, in the years that I was mayor of Davao, dumadaan talaga ako, makinig lang ako sa kanta nila. And how they can sing. So, pumunta doon ang mga teachers, they called it immersion, I do. But the late Father Lacson was with them. Tapos usap sila na, yung sa Davao was just a few more kilometers, Davao ka na. So sabi nila, punta tayo ng Davao. Kasi yan si Mayor Bedan. But at that time, I was in Taiwan. Ang problema, pagdating doon, there's a small community of Bedans. Walang, most of them are graduates of inferior schools. One in Diliman, the other one is in Padre Paura. Kukunti lang kami taga San Beda, but two of them was the Aquino family. Quite rich until now. So siya nag-blow out. So lahat ng Bedan niyaya. Nagsiputan doon lahat. Sabi na wala man si Mayor, we will invite the mother. Mama ko pumunta noon. Nung nakausap, pinakila, Father Lacson, ito yung nanay ni Mayor Duterte. Sabi ng nanay ko, Father, yung graduation nila Rodrigo. Sabi ng graduation nila niya, natuloy ba yun? Sabi ni Father Lacson, sabi ng mga nandun, oo, natuloy. Bakit? Kasi hindi man ako napunta, there was no proper notice or anything. Sabi niya, why, did your son told you the truth? Sabi ng nanay ko, ano pala ang totoo? Sabi niya, na-expelled dyan kasi may binaril na tao doon sa loob sa San Beda. Nung pagdating ko, I was confronted by my mother. Alam ko kasi yung style ng nanay ko. Pag sinabi, sabihin mo kay Rodrigo, dito siya kumain kasi magpaluto siya ng inununan. Unun-una. So, inununan sa Tagalog? Baksyo, inununan. Mga sundalo. So, pagka ganon, okay yan. Pero pag ang messages, papuntahin ka ng nanay mo, ngayon, delikado na yan. So pagdating ko, sabi niya, bakit hindi mo sinabi sa akin ang totoo? So, lumuhod ako. Talagang lumuhod. Literally, I knelt down in front of her and said, mapasaylo ako. Pasaylo, patawarin mo ako. Ayaw ko lang kasi kayong ipahamak. You would have to worry. But at that time, when I went home early, I was expelled. Though I was reconsidered. So, and eventually, naging 73 kami, release ng bar. Maya-maya, the first offer of award, Achievers Award. So ako, si Pitoy Moreno, marami, 5 kami noon. Nung sinabi sa akin, sabi ko, yung punta dyan, expelled kayo ngayon, award, ang klase ito. So, hindi ako pumunta. Tapos, second time, kita-kita kami nila, Fred Lim. So, bakit di ka sumipot doon? Pinatawad ka na nga, ikaw pa yung suplado. So, the next time I was given this award, sumipot ako. Tapos, this is my first time with you actually. But, yung previous alumni, kita-kita kami. I was awarded. Karami kong, you know what, hindi ko kayo niluloko Ni sa pag-aral ko ni Tansan, walang nagbigay sa akin. Ngayon, yung San Beda, may ito yung trophy. Tapos ngayon, now, introducing the Hall of Fame, Rodrigo Duterte. So may medalya, kalaki, pati plaque. Sabi ko, sino ba ang nasa Hall of Fame? Sabi niya, wala, ikaw lang mag-isa. Well, anyway, I would like to thank the Benedictine community for such a wonderful show of mercy. Sabi ni Shakespeare, the act of mercy is never strained, something strained, yung hinahasa. And I got back being an awardee. Pero sa scholastic, patay. Kung hindi nyo sirain yung Mindiola Bridge, yung sa kanto, saan ang College of Law? Sos Mariusep. Walang ginawa yan kung galing slavery. Yan yung Mindiola, yung bridge. Pagbaba mo, Ligarda. Yung kanto, nandyan pa? Chilled beer. Yung ilaw na, maging judge. Puro. Clavicelia he used to be the judge of Naga. Doon kami sa Kaya, yang ito sila, didumaan kay Solidom. May ako dyan. Ito si Rene, ang may-ari nito. Beda niyan. Wala yung Rene. Pwede pa ba ako magsalita? Wala. Wala man akong iyabang. Walang medalya, wala lahat. So, ito na lang yung kasi late tag din ako Noon is Veronica. By the way, Sebastian, yung youngest son ko, beda niyan. Walang ginawa kung hindi maghabol ng babae. Hanggang ngayon. Kagaya na trabaho na tatay niya noon. For this one is worse. Paragi kaming may dynamics yan kasi may mga anak So, well, anyway, itong sa well, I was forgiven. Yun ang platform ko. I was proud to be called the Bedan. Itong anak ko, gusto na rin mag-aral dito. Gusto niya magtira dyan. Sabi ko na, you're better off with your mother sa Davao. Sabi niya, pa, yan bang matanda na yan nandyan sa kabinet mo? Sabi ko, sino nak? Yan yung matanda na Bisaya. So, si Leonor Briones. So, yan. Di ba, Bisaya yan. Sabi ko, sabi na, ano man nakain niya? Bakit hinabaan niya itong kurso namin K-12? Sabi ko na, wala man tayong problema dyan. If it's just a matter of suggesting, I can. But, sabi ko, I would have to go into incongruity. Eh, bakit? Alam mo na, ang original K-12 talaga, tatay mo. It took me 7 years to finish high school. Kaya matanda na ako sa kanila. I'm 73. Ito sila rin yung mga 70 lang yan. Kasi well, including the scholarship of Soroy, and Soroy is Lakwatsa. Took me 7 years actually may professor kami. Itong Solidom na ito, galing ito Capiz. To Justice. Ang boses nito, may mga taga-law school, ang boses nito, yung boses, shrill. That's what, shrill. And he could only pronounce the last syllable. Bata! Tindig, Laurente, pati ako, tumindig. So, grouchy na, pero lahat kay dumaan kay Solidom. Ang remedial, una kaming natapos. Tapos tumindig kami, sabi niya, oh, gadamit, I did not call you! Sit down! Sit down ako. You stand up! Sir, I did not hear my name, sir, called. Because you are always looking at the back. God damn it, come here in front. Ganon kami sa college. Ayaw siguro ngayon, mga bata. Pagdating ko sa, pinupo ako dyan sa front. Sabi niya, Lordy, sit down. You recite. Tindig ako, sabi ko. Sabi niya, what? Sabi ko, sir, there is no question yet, sir. Putang na galit.